one thing is a fact, we all have to realize Goa Miles has come to stay, it will stay. Now how to improve that, how to have more participatory involvement of all stakeholders, that is the issue which I am looking at. Now it is a simple case I am telling you. Suppose a person is having a nice showroom, he is having a nice shop, he is having his product displayed, and today today the same shopkeepers cry hoarse. They make a big noise saying, no, you cannot buy on Amazon, you cannot buy on Snapdeal, you cannot buy on Naftol, you cannot buy on any app, you cannot order anything. Is this the case? Are we moving back to the rock age? Are we moving backwards? Today everything is on the net. Prime Minister himself is advocating for digital India, and it is like shopkeepers saying, no, you can't buy anything on the net through any of the apps because we will lose business. It is something like that. So taxi is a service being offered. It is a service being offered to the public, and if they order that service on the app, there is nothing wrong. They have to come and accept this particular thing, and they will realize. I think they are also somehow not understanding the thing. Our taxi people are very good people. They have to understand that it is in their own interest. Whatever difficulties they have, whatever problems they encounter, we are ready to solve it sitting across the table. And that is what the Honorable Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant has conveyed to them.